78.
Yeah, 3 more miles on that.
Man, this joint's a killer, dog. Hold on, what was your 60 foot? The same as the ET?
Hey, 590.
I could say your 60 was
2.7, 60 foot.
Edgar, he was a 2.7 60 foot. I'm surprised that bitch even spun the tires. I'm salty my car's.
So guys, I just want to give you a quick update. We are having some issues with our timing.
Holy shit.
Half of the shit up there is just getting your nerves and remembering, oh shit, I gotta do this and this. And this.
Get the shit out of me.
I'm very, very sneaky.
Yeah.
I am very, very sneaky, sir.
Say no more.
Car's gutted. See you guys at Cecil County Dragway for Sleepers Track Day.
Oh my goodness! Yes! This is really cool.
Thank you.
Holy cow!
raise it up too. It's even better.
Yeah, I'm glad I raised it up as much as I did.
It looks good. That was my favorite, the SI.
They had it blown
Messing with something down there?
the bottom, the timing. Still having issues with the timing.
Oh, here we go. Oh, let's check on Duffy. He was cutting his fender last time.
They get the tree figured out yet?
No, you good?
Having a
I heard.
little
Oh shit.
little clearance issues. Yeah.
I wonder if that's why when he first no, probably not. When you first burned out, a little chunk came off.
That was probably the smoke we saw towards the end.
Yeah, cool, because especially at the end, the tire starts to grow at speed.
Oh yeah, well that thing's.
It's all right. So that's how much it rubbed into, and I took that much out of it. So I have extra room here, and I've got extra room there.
Was it in the front, the same spot?
It's up here. That same spot. I just didn't trim it enough. Silly things. Give me
It
my.
must be hot as hell in that thing.
Oh, I'm not cold. Let me tell you.
Race car shit, dude.
This is why they say test and tune, right?
Yeah. I'm just stoked you ran a fucking 10 your first shot. Dang. I heard you coming.
Track shoes. Legitimately bought a set of shoes strictly for this.
Tuning over here because we are at Cecil County Dragway, and yeah.
Faster than that.
I'm gonna go be a fangirl in a minute to that girl racer. And be like, you got a fast car.
She's gonna be like, I have a boyfriend.
I'll be like, I got a husband, it don't matter.
Yeah, man. Okay.
What'd you add to it?
5 psi in a mid-range and 3 psi on a big end.
So what are you gonna hit, 30 now?
No, it's already at 30.
So 35 now?
No, it's probably 32, 33. But it's gonna bring the boost in sooner. And so when I'm in high gear, it'll give me more boost in high gear.
Well, you did a 9.3, so.
Well, to be honest with you, at that power level, if I could just leave harder, it would already be an 8. It would already.
Yeah. Did you add any more on the launch?
The problem is the gears are so long, if I put any more in it, I'm going to slip the clutch to that. Slip the transfer to that.
Good room. All right, well, good luck.
Thank you.
I'll get a good video.
one wasn't good. It was like 10.8. Best so far is 10.1.
9? That's gonna be, what do you need, 999?
I'd say that 9.99 is 9.
You've been always wanting to do 999.
Yep. Send it.
Breathe it in. Embrace it. Embrace it. Yeah.
Your cousins, your uncles be loving them things.
So do I.
They be loving them things. Can't say that.
Just like yours love Hondas.
You ain't
He's rolling on that one.
Wow. There it is. 10-1.
10-1. Yeah. Holy shit.
See the difference? Same mile an hour, but oh, the brake. Perfect.
Daddy. That's all it took.
That man got heavy right before. He's like, nah, we staying in this.
leaves that bitch. That's why I'm scared on the road with that.
First time we got in my car, I was like, yo, you better stop. He was like,
he almost killed me in your car.
hey,
dog.
he's a savage. That man's a savage.
So you hooked the dip?
Yeah, that's like a big hook that time. God damn. Let me pull around.
What do you want, 10-1?
Huh? Yeah, 10-1.
Lose 40 pounds for a 9-second car.
Wild, 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 wild,
I
wild.
think that's really nice.
So, the Subaru did it. No, Subaru made 13.08, and the clutch said,
Deuces.
bye-bye.
To JZ with a glide at Cecil. 150 miles per hour runs.
Okay. Somebody's like, "Where's Sleepy Tune?" I was sending a Nissan over there. Just keep listening. Keep listening. Like, Q50,
you'll hear.
Q50 was on there one day. I was like, "That's my
probably
car."
him.
I was like, "Yeah." Keep going, you'll find it.
That's funny.